Hello stamping friends, it's Sharon Armstrong. We're going to make this cute little card today on this video. I love this stamp set. The stamp set I'm using is the Best Birds bundle from Stampin' Up. It has the matching framelits. I think the thing that drew me to this set was the crosshatch. I love that stamped image. If you're in my online card classes, you received all of the pieces that you need to put this card together. If you're not in my classes, I totally invite you to join. You can purchase, make a purchase of $50 or more on my Stampin' Up website, and then I send you the kits of the month, your choice. I offer 3 different ones. So I've squeezed my lid so that I get some ink in my lid itself. You're going to need an aqua painter. I've already cut out the bird, and I cut the bird out of blue cardstock, and I used Pool Party. I loved this concept because I'm going to add a little bit of color, but not much because I used blue cardstock. So I'm just going to give him a little Wisteria Wonder chest. And that's it. Fast, right? Kind of blend it in a little bit more. You could do as much as you wanted, but like I said, the cardstock is my color. Always wipe off your aqua painter so it's ready to use again. Okay, so let's put this card together. So I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and I want to use my crosshatch stamp, the one that I love so much. And I'm going to use some soft suede ink. And I'm just going to stamp, just kind of off stamp, give it a little bit different shading. And then I'm going to take my burlap ribbon, and I want to run that across that way. So I'm going to add some snail on both sides, and then just wrap that around. Oh, I didn't get it quite close enough. Okay, and then I'm going to take and I'm going to attach this. Did I use? I did. I used dimensionals. Of course I did. I always use dimensionals. I need more dimensionals. I've been going through them like crazy. I just can't make a project without them, so. Picked up 2 on that one. Take my Very Vanilla card base and put that on there. There we go. Then I want to take my bird, and I'm going to put some snail on the back of him. And then I'm going to loop my linen thread. I love the look of the linen thread with these birds, because birds pick up things and make nests, and it just kind of looks like it to me. Do you buy the grid paper from Stampin' Up? I love having the grid paper. I cut it into quarters and I put it on my paper piercing mat. It's just awesome. It really is a nice paper to have on your craft table. May have gotten a little bit too much linen thread, if there's such a thing. right, so I don't want the tail to show, so I'm going to tuck that back down. There. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So now I want some more dimensionals. Just going to break off a piece here because I'm at the end of my dimensional sheet. Get that ready. All right, I'm going to set that aside. And then I've already cut out my branches. I stamped those in soft suede onto soft suede, and they're going to kind of go like this. So I'm going to get some more dimensionals. I just love how you use every bit of this. A little bit too big. Okay, so remove the backs. And I'm going to put one this way. And I'll put the other one the other way. Make sure I can't see the dimensional out there. There we go. Okay, so then this one's going to come like this. And then I'm going to take my bird. And let's see, whoops, I want him up just a little bit more. Cute, cute, cute. The last thing I need to do is stamp my Thoughts for You. And I am using soft suede on soft suede. And let's see. I like to hold my stamp there for a few seconds just to make sure I get all the ink on. And my banner is going to go like this. So, but I may have put my bird in the wrong place. You know what? I may put it someplace else. I think I'm going to put it on this side. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. All right, so I'm just going to trim this down a little bit, and then I'm going to make a fat banner tail. Let's see how that looks. Yep. And then I'm just going to trim this down. I could get out my paper trimmer, but for the sake of the video, this is good. And there we go. All right, once again, we need some dimensionals. When you're in my online card classes, I send you the PDF instructions and all the pieces that you need. If I can pick that up over that. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I send you the instructions and then all the video links, so it makes it really easy to watch the videos on how to put the cards together. So if you're not in my online classes, you can contact me. My Stampin' Up! Website link is below, and when you go to that website, there'll be a thing up in the top right-hand corner that says contact me. So, all right, thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and watch all my other videos.
Look at how far